let's go over a simple diet plan that you can follow to go from 180 pounds down to 150. How to lose 30 pounds relatively quickly. First of all, times your body weight by 10 to be in a calorie deficit. So eat 1,800 calories one day. The following day, times your goal weight by 10, which is 1,500 calories day 2. So cycle between 1,800 calories one day, 1,500 calories the next day. The next thing you want to track is protein. Make sure you're eating enough protein. Try to eat about 0.9 grams per pound of lean body weight, but let's make that even simpler. Eat 125 grams of protein per day. Every 4 ounces of chicken, fish, or meat is about 25 grams of protein. So you got this. Day 1, 1,800 calories. Day 2, 1,500 calories. Eat 125 grams of protein. And I also want you to follow a time-restricted eating fasting strategy where you fast for 16 hours every day and then take in all your calories within that 8-hour eating window. So you're gonna wake up in the morning, you're not gonna eat anything, you're gonna have some black coffee, some green tea, any no-calorie liquids. Let's say you break your fast around 12 in the afternoon and you're done eating by 8 p.m. Do this and you're gonna lose 30 pounds quickly.